I'm sure you've heard the news. Online surveys are a legit way to earn some extra cash. But how do you get started? Let's dive in. First, find reputable survey sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Pinecone Research. These platforms offer surveys along with other ways to earn, like watching videos or playing games. Next, create accounts and complete your profiles in detail. A thorough profile means more survey matches. Remember, surveys won't replace a full-time job, but they can add some cash or gift cards to your wallet. Check for surveys regularly and use browser extensions for notifications. Maximize earnings by participating in other activities and referring friends. And always cash out strategically to get the most bang for your buck. Finally, avoid scams. Stick to reputable sites and never pay to join. By following these steps, you can turn online surveys into a steady source of extra income. Happy surveying!